Today's paper. By Hunjong Han. Today's paper is Diagnostic Gene Sequencing Panels, From Design to Report, a technical standard of the American College of Medical Genetics and Genomics, ACMG, published in 2020. This article provides guidelines about the whole process of gene sequencing panel usage for genetic diagnosis. Okay. What is the gene sequencing panel? Let's assume that you have a disease but you don't know exactly what it is. You may think that it's a genetic disease, and want to find out. The first choice is testing all the genes in your body. It'll cost a lot. Or, if a doctor suspects a few diseases, you can just test a small number of genes that are potential causes of the disease. This is the case you use a gene sequencing panel. For example, if you suspect a heart disease, you can use TrueSight Cardio Sequencing Kit, developed by Illumina Group. Using the kit, you can test multiple genes that are previously discovered as causal genes for heart diseases. What is different between gene sequencing panel and whole exome and genome sequencing? The panel can test only the genes related to the disease. The number of genes are limited but the depth is high. Also, this is cost-effective and fast. On the other hand, whole exome and genome sequencing can test all the exon and genome regions. These methods can cover a lot of regions with low depth. They can be expensive and slow. This is a graph of depth and coverage for each method. This means if you can choose right genes for the test, you can get very accurate diagnosis. But how can we do this? This paper provides you the guidelines for using gene sequencing panels. The guidelines cover each step of using gene sequencing panel. 1. Design considerations. How to design a cost-effective but valid panel with high sensitivity and specificities. 2. Gene considerations. How to select target genes for an accurate diagnosis. 3. Technical considerations. Issues on gene characteristics and method performances. 4. Reporting. How to report the test results. There are many more details in this article that I didn't mention in this video. So if you're interested in using a gene sequencing panel, I strongly recommend you read this article. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates. See you next time. Bye.